Welcome to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Mercedes Benz E-Class, a vehicle that blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. The E-Class has long been a benchmark in the luxury sedan segment, and Mercedes-Benz has once again set a new standard with the 2025 model. This year, the E-Class is all about merging sophistication with next-generation features, making it a true masterpiece of engineering and design. Exterior design? The 2025 E-Class showcases a refined exterior that seamlessly combines modern aesthetics with traditional Mercedes-Benz design cues. The sleek lines and dynamic proportions give it an athletic yet graceful stance. Up front, the iconic three-pointed star sits proudly on the new digital grille, which integrates LED lighting for a futuristic touch. The slim LED headlights are sharper than ever, providing a sense of precision and power. On the sides, the character lines flow smoothly toward the rear, where you'll find stunning wraparound taillights that feature a unique light signature. The 19-inch alloy wheels come as standard, with 20-inch options available for those who want an extra dose of flair. Interior luxury? Step inside, and the 2025 E-Class envelops you in a world of luxury. The cabin is an exquisite blend of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled comfort. Mercedes-Benz has incorporated sustainable materials like recycled leather and wood trims, appealing to the eco-conscious buyer without compromising on sophistication. The centerpiece of the interior is the new superscreen, a seamless glass panel that integrates the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and a passenger-side display. Powered by the latest MBUX system, this interface is intuitive, responsive, and fully customizable. Whether it's navigation, entertainment, or climate control, everything is just a touch or a voice command away. Ambient lighting enhances the mood, with 64 color options that can adapt to your driving style or music. And for audiophiles, the E-Class offers an available Burmester 4D surround sound system, delivering an immersive listening experience. Performance and powertrains? Under the hood, the 2025 E-Class offers a range of powertrains to suit every driver. The base model features a 2.0-liter inline, 4-turbocharged engine paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering 255 horsepower and excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, the E450 model comes with a 3.0-liter inline-6 engine, also equipped with mild hybrid technology, producing 375 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and precise shifts. And let's not forget the all-new plug-in hybrid variant, which offers up to 60 miles of electric-only range, making it perfect for urban commutes or environmentally conscious drivers. The E-Class also features 4MATIC all-wheel drive as an option, providing enhanced grip and stability in all road conditions. Advanced technology? The 2025 E-Class is a technological powerhouse. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including updated versions of adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. One of the standout features is the new Level 3 autonomous driving capability, allowing the car to handle itself in certain scenarios, like highway traffic. This marks a significant leap toward fully autonomous driving. Additionally, the E-Class introduces a groundbreaking feature, the digital key. Using your smartphone, you can lock, unlock, and even start your car without needing a physical key. Sustainability and efficiency. Mercedes-Benz has committed to sustainability, and the 2025 E-Class reflects this vision. The production process incorporates renewable energy, and the vehicle is designed with recyclable materials. Combined with the efficient hybrid and plug-in powertrains, the E-Class is both luxurious and eco-friendly. A conclusion? The 2025 Mercedes Benz E-Class is more than just a luxury sedan. It's a statement of innovation and elegance. Whether you're drawn to its striking design, cutting-edge technology, or impressive performance, this vehicle is sure to captivate anyone who steps behind the wheel. Thank you for watching Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 E-Class, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the latest automotive trends. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring the cars shaping the future of mobility.